for small values of theta, find an approximate expression for sine of pi by 3 minus theta. So we've got sine of pi by 3 minus theta. Immediately we should try to look for the compound angle formula, which is sine theta minus phi. So we're going to let that sine theta cos theta minus cos theta sine phi. And therefore theta will be equivalent to pi by 3. And phi will be equivalent to theta. So that's going to be sine of pi by 3 cos theta cos pi by 3 sine theta. Right, the sine of pi by 3, that's sine 60, so that's root 3 over 2 cos theta, and then cos of pi by 3 is a half, so it's going to be minus a half of sine theta. Now, if theta is small, then cos theta approximates to 1 minus a half theta squared, and then sine theta approximates to theta. So we're going to have sine pi by 3 minus theta will be approximately equal to root 3 over 2 times cos theta, which we will now approximate to 1 minus a half theta squared, minus a half, and then sine theta will be approximates to theta. Expanding this bracket, we're going to get root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2 times minus a half gives me minus root 3 over 4 theta squared minus a half theta. I'm just putting it in some sort of sensible order. It's going to be approximately equal to root 3 over 2 minus a half theta minus root 3 over 4 theta squared. So this has been a video to show you how to use the compound angle formula and small angles measured in radians to find an approximate expression for sine pi by 3 minus theta. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.